I am from GoGraph Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about some basic concepts on trigonometry, that is exercise 8 of NCERT 10th Maths. Trigonometry tend to try plus gono, gonia plus metry, metron. Trigonometry itself consists of three words, that is tri. Tri means three, gono, that is gonia, angle, metry, that is metron, measure. Hence, trigonometry is meant for three angles measure. Measurement of three angles is there in trigonometry. Also, trigonometry is introduced for measurement of height of tall buildings, monuments, towers, etc. Now, come out to triangles concept. Let here triangle ABC be there, in which angle B is a right angle, and also let angle BAC equal to theta. Here you can say angle BAC equal to theta and angle BCA equal to alpha. Angle BCA equal to alpha. Also let AB equal to 4K. This is base of the right angle in with respect to theta. The AB equal to 4K and BC equal to 3K. BC here is the height of the triangle with respect to angle theta, where K is a ratio constant. Here you can see this is a right angle triangle in which angle 19 degree have been made at point B. This means that angle B is 90 degree. Here angle A I have let equal to theta. So if you take angle theta or angle A, then base of triangle will be AB and perpendicular of triangle will be BC. If you take angle alpha or angle C, in which case perpendicular will be AB and base will be BC. Because here BC is an adjacent side and with respect to alpha, AB is the side opposite to angle alpha. AB is known as perpendicular and BC is known as adjacent side with respect to angle alpha. Accordingly, with respect to angle theta, AB will be the adjacent side that will be known as base, and BC will be height of the triangle that is known as perpendicular with respect to angle A or angle theta. Then using Pythagoras theorem, here you can see the side AC is just opposite to angle B. Angle B here is 90 degree. The side opposite to angle B will be side AC, that is I have let here 5K. That's why AC will be hypotenuse here So here I have written hypotenuse square. Now with respect to angle theta, if you take, the AB will be adjacent side, that will known as AB will be known as base of the right angle triangle with respect to angle theta. The AB ka square, and BC will be perpendicular of this right angle triangle with respect to angle theta. So here I have written hypotenuse ka square plus base ka square plus perpendicular ka square with respect to angle theta. Here Pythagoras theorem says AC ka square. Here I have left AB equal to 4k. So this AB equal to 4k. 4k ka whole square, it comes out to be 16k square, and BC equal to 3k. That comes out to BC का whole square, it comes out to 3k का whole square equal to 9k square. 16k square will be added to 9k square, comes out to 25k square. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to 5k. Just under root of 25k square comes out to 5k. Under root of AC square, that comes out to AC. Now come out to trigonometry ratios. I am going to discuss about the trigonometry ratios. There are 6 kinds of trigonometry ratios. Here you can see first trigonometry ratio is sine. Here I have written here sine in Hindi. Implied that sine, this sine can be written in short form, abbreviated form as sine, or this is theta. This is a Greek letter known as theta. Theta is the measurement of angle. Here the angle BAC will be measured by a Greek letter, that is theta. That's why I have written here theta. The sine theta I have written in Hindi, sine theta is equal to sine in Hindi ja theta. Sine theta in Hindi you can say ja theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If you take here theta as angle here, in this case perpendicular will be the opposite side of angle theta. The opposite side, that is BC, is the opposite side of angle theta. BC is the opposite side of angle theta. The BC will be known as perpendicular with respect to angle theta. The here perpendicular, and hypotenuse, the side opposite to angle 90 degree, that is AC. AC will be known as hypotenuse. That's why lambda curve you can see. Just I have written here cosine. In Hindi can you say cosine. Cosine in short form you can say cos theta. Theta is measuring angle. Theta is a measuring angle. Also it is a Greek letter. So here I have written cos theta. Cos theta in Hindi you can say cos theta. Cos theta in Hindi you can say cosine theta. Cosine theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. In this case, this is the angle theta. So with respect to angle theta or angle A, the adjacent side will be AB. AB will be known as base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be AC here. AC is the side opposite to angle B. That will become Aadhar bata curve. Here you can say tangent. In Hindi you can remember tangent. In short form it can be denoted as tan theta. Tan theta I have written. In Hindi tan theta can be called as asp theta. Asp theta is equal to asp theta. Here with respect to angle theta. With respect to angle theta, the side BC is the opposite of angle theta. The BC will be called as perpendicular because the side BC is the opposite side of angle theta. The BC will be called as perpendicular, and with respect to angle theta, AB is the adjacent side. It will be called as base. This will be called as lambda dot r. Now come out to next. Here cotangent. Just cotangent is friend of tangent. Tangent and cotangent both are mutually friends. Now come out to cotangent. I have written here in Hindi cotangent. Cotangent is in short form you can write here cot theta. Cot theta I have written here. Cot theta in Hindi can called as cos theta. Cos theta with respect to angle theta. With respect to angle theta or angle A. The opposite side BC. That means BC is the opposite side of angle theta or angle A. That's why BC is called perpendicular with respect to angle theta or angle A. And with respect to angle theta, AB is the adjacent side that will be known as base of the right angle triangle. So here as per theta, in this case you can say perpendicular upon base, lamb bata dhar, that known as tan theta. Now come out to cotangent. Here written cot theta. Cot theta I am going to explain here. Cot theta. Cot theta you can in Hindi. Cot theta can be known as cos theta. Cot theta in Hindi you can say cos theta. Cos theta just opposite to tan theta. You can see here. Cos theta, cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. In with respect to angle theta, base will be AB and perpendicular will be BC. That's why it is written here base upon perpendicular adhar bata lamb. This is known as cot theta. Now come out to next, that is secant. Here I can retake the secant. Secant implies that sec theta. Sec theta in Hindi sec theta, that is you can say sec theta. So sec theta can be known as Baico theta. Baico you can see here Baico just opposite of cos theta. Just opposite of cos theta is known as sec theta. So here I have written here koja means co. So here co ka opposite that you can say bayu koja. So here I have written start by koja theta ya Baico theta. That will become hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse in this case with respect to angle theta, hypotenuse will be AC and base will be adjacent side, that is AB. So here write base. The curd bata dha, that will be known as sec theta. Now come out to next. Here I have written cosecant, that is cosec theta. Cosec theta, you read in English cosec theta. Cosec theta itself is, cosec is the opposite of sine. So you can say Bayojia theta. Here I have written ja. So just opposite of ja will be Bayojia theta. Bayojia theta just opposite. Curd bata lamb. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Curd bata lamb. In order to remember how Trigo ratio will be remembered forever, you can say here at the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. The perpendicular upon hypotenuse that become here S, that is sine. Here I written a base upon hypotenuse, that is cosine. Here I have written perpendicular upon base, that will become tangent, tan. Here One proverb is there, Pandit Badri Prasad, har har bole, sona chandi tawle. Here Pandit is denoted by perpendicular, Badri is denoted by base, and here Prasad in first beginning letter, that is P, is denoted as perpendicular, and here Bole, B is denoted by base, and H, har that is denoted by H. So just you take first letter of Pandit P, first letter of Badri, that is B, first letter of Prasad, that is P, first letter of har, that is H, first letter of Bole, that is B. Just make this one, and after that first letter of Sona, that is sine, first letter of Chandi, that is C, cosine, first letter of Tole, that is tangent. So this is the easiest method to remember all these trigo ratio. Here I have mentioned P equal to perpendicular, B equal to base, H equal to hypotenuse. This is the angle. Theta is a Greek letter, denotes a measurement of an angle. Theta you can see. Here I have mentioned alpha. Alpha you can see here, alpha. With respect to angle alpha, perpendicular will be AB. Here AB is the opposite side of angle alpha or angle C. That's why AB will be known as perpendicular. And with respect to angle alpha, BC is the adjacent side. It is known as base of the right angle triangle with respect to angle alpha. And AC will be hypotenuse in all cases because AC is the opposite side of angle B 90 degree. These are the some basic concepts with respect to trigonometry which I have explained in brief. These are the basic things you must remember. Okay guys, thanks.